you sa mga customer na mo yung loyal. Magbalik-balik yun dire, kay ganahan sila sa among mga food, sa among drinks.
I would like to invite everyone to come and visit Cafe Ray here in Carcar City, second floor JRK Building, Poblacion 2, JP Rizal Street.
It's very delicious. I mean, I love it. I love it. I taste it. It's good and tasty, and there's plenty of meals, and it's tasty than I imagined. And
Sulti nimo sa mga loyal customer, ma'am.
Isa sir, di ko ready.
Customer nga, for halo-halo, ganahan jud kay sila, kay lami.
Maray nilang balik-balikan ang tender sa halo-halo o lemonade.
Mom, if you watch this, you should try it, Mom. It's very good out there.
Whether you are a foodie or just looking for a cozy spot, Cafe Ray, something for everyone. From their rich coffees to their savory meals, their menu is packed with delicious foods.
Yeah, it's very good and tasty, and it's very lami.
It's very lovely.
And Tina, you should go visit Cafe Ray if you're hungry.
Invite your friends.
And tell your friends to invite Cafe Ray. Cafe Ray is pretty good.